Everyone, I am back with another Hermes unboxing. As you guys could see, I have two packages here. And yeah, it's funny because it took me a while to get hands on these. This particular item that I've got, sometimes they are available on the website and I know they sold out quickly. And I don't know, for some reason, from time to time, they became available. And when I ask my essay about it or check online, they are not available. But anyway, I was able to get hands on these two beautiful Hermes items here. These two are I think this is actually in this collection. These are my first items in this collection. And I am so excited to share it with you guys. So anyway, it was wrapped in this beautiful box right here, the orange box with the bulldog ribbon. And to reveal this beauty right here, so excited. And okay, wow, the packaging is so lovely. Okay. Oh, okay. So, oh wow. Right away when I saw the packaging, I am already disappointed. That's because usually with this particular type of items, they normally don't wrap it with this paper like this. So for that, that is totally, personally think it's unacceptable. But let me show you what I've got. See? This paper is actually very, very long. Very long. I have to, okay. So it came in with the booklet right here. And this is the booklet right here, and presenting this beautiful plate right here. It is an Hermes Passifolia dessert plate. Oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. Totally love it. It took me a while to get hands on these. It is made up of porcelain. And let me show you the back. It says right there, Passifolia. It says Hermes, made in France. Right there, the stamping. Right there, there is a detail at the back. And then the Passifolia logos and everything. Right there. Wow, very nice. So let me just check the corner right here. I know that usually they wrap this one with a foam, a white foam in it, because this item are delicate. They are fragile. So I was just hoping that they would protect this type of particular collection, this particular type of item. But anyway, as I am looking at it right now, I didn't see any sort of damage or chipping at all. So I was just a little bit concerned with that. Look at that, guys. This one is actually decorated using the chromolithography technique. The beautiful multicolor prints, as you guys can see, is absolutely amazing. The flowers, the leaves, the vibrant color. Wow, this one is so beautiful. I pick up this Um, hold on. Let me just take a closer look on this piece. This flower right there at the bottom. Oh my gosh. All those beautiful colors, those vibrant colors, it's in here. Absolutely amazing. And it says right here, there is a branding Hermes. Wow. This one is amazing. This one is so beautiful. The color is so vibrant. It is absolutely amazing. Such a beautiful plate. And I think this one measures around 8.3 in the diameter. And the reason why I got this plate, that's because, I mean, look at how beautiful this is. The pattern is so gorgeous. It is lovely. And I think I could use this occasionally, like birthdays or Thanksgiving or even Christmas. You can use this. But this particular plate is not microwave safe. It says there, they even say that you can wash it in a dishwasher, but for me, I would be worried with the printing around it, the decorations. Would be so worried about that. This plate is around $200, I think less than $200, and I would be so worried with if I would end up washing this in a dishwasher. I don't think so. And even with the hand wash, you still have to be very, very careful not to use any sort of abrasive sponge or soap in it, so that, yeah, to preserve its beauty, obviously, and it's those lovely decorations. Wow. This plate is so precious, and I think, wow, it's so beautiful. It is so lovely. So this is the first plate that I've got. I am already excited. Like I mentioned, I may or may not use this, but I would definitely gonna use this as a decoration. It is perfect. It is perfect as a decoration. Love the flowers right there. So that is the first item. Okay, so let me just put this one aside, and I will be showing you the other one. Put the plate right there. So here's the next one. Beautiful. And to reveal this other item. Okay. Right here. My gosh. Okay. The packaging is just the same. I don't know, maybe they ran out of those white foam that they normally came with this. So that is just my feeling about that. But normally this was not wrapped with the paper like this. I don't think so. And I saw a dust bag, but a dust bag does not, I don't think that would help with for the protection of the item. So I don't know. I'm not sure why it's being wrapped like that, but anyway, I'm just going to show you the next item that I've got. It is another beautiful, lovely plate. Oh my gosh. This one is so beautiful. Oh, they're not the same. They are different, but they are in the same collection, the Passifolia dessert plate. And once again, it is made up of this beautiful, lovely porcelain. The same technique that they use, the chromolithography, the beautiful, lovely multicolor prints right here. Wow. It's so vivid. It is so beautiful right here. So I'll give you a closer look for everything. It says right there, Hermes. Oh wow, those flowers are absolutely gorgeous. And looking at it right now, the condition is great. I didn't see any sort of chipping or whatsoever. That was just my concern. These stuff are really delicate and fragile. They should have put it in the right packaging. So anyway, this is the back. It's the same print as the other one right here. Wow. These are gorgeous, and definitely this is perfect for any occasion. If you wish to use it, if you like to use it, this plate, but I would be so conscious knowing that I paid a lot of money on the plate just to put food and then wash it. So yeah, I would feel uncomfortable washing this, just making sure that the decoration would still intact, that there would be no damage right there. And I also noticed this beautiful, lovely, the edging right here. It was actually in gold. Very lovely right there. So you guys could see the gold edge right there. Wow, I can literally feel the print, which is really nice. I don't know if I'm curious if, I don't know, maybe I'm not sure if I didn't even see anybody like really actually use this. I'm not sure. I don't even know anybody, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. But I don't know how the print, the decorations right here would hold up in time, because if you keep using it with your fork and spoon plus the soap plus the water and everything like that, so I don't know how this decorations right here would hold up in time if you actually use it. So yeah, but in my case, I may or may not use it. I will be adding more in my collection, but my initial idea, the reason why I purchased this, is literally to use it as a decoration. So yeah, so anyway, these are my two lovely, let me get the other one. Oh my gosh, they're so delicate. So these are my two lovely Passifolia dessert plate. They are gorgeous. I think this one is on the Hermes website. They are already sold out. Maybe you want to check the store with your sales associate or other stores that actually carry an Hermes plate. I know there's a way, there is a projected time that they put on the website if you want to use it, but in my case, it would be nicer to get this collection at the Hermes store or the Hermes website. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.